3/8 simplified. That is how to simplify the fraction 3/8 or how to reduce the fraction 3/8. Look, to simplify this fraction or reducing this fraction means you need to cancel the common factor. So look, the factor of 3 is 1 3 and the factor of 8 is 1 8 8, that is 1 times 8 8, then 2 times what equal to 8 4, right? Then what is 8? 3 times what equal to 8? Nothing. So 1 2 4 8 and 1 3 is the factor. 1 3 is the factor of 3 and 8 is the factor of 8 is 1 2 4 8. To reduce this fraction to lowest term or to simplify this fraction, you need to divide both numerator and denominator by the common factor, common highest factor. G common HCF, highest common factor. Look, there is no common factor without 1. If you divide these both number by 1, the result is same, 3/8. So 3/8 is already simplified. You have nothing to do.